This is a very short video on how to insert a video into Blackboard. And so what you do is you open up your folder, go into your document, and here's the week 5 folder I'm working on now. And you can see there's 3 little buttons here. I want to go into the edit mode. And then this brings up your edit area. So what you need to do to insert the video is to put your mouse where you want it. And then go up here. Now there's other things you can attach, and I talked about this before. Here's where you would insert media content. So you can go to this YouTube button, and then it wants you to search through YouTube for the video, but it's easier if you just hit media. And you can see what comes up, and then add your URL. Let me see if I've got one here. Nope, that's not the right one. Anyway, have your URL there, add your alternative text, and hit insert. And then what that will do is it will pop your YouTube video right where you want it. And so that's how you insert a video into Blackboard.